Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301603, and this is a 2026 GMC Canyon Denali, and our color is Summit White. So let's take a look at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. Alright, so we got power windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat with a power driver seat and lumbar support. Got our interior lighting control, trailer brake. Steering wheel features forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, stereo remote controls, and heat. We are satellite radio ready. Got electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. Got our master window button, auto start stop, lane keep assist, USB charging ports with a cell phone charger, 4x4 controls, parking brake, and automatic transmission. We're also OnStar ready, and we've got our sunroof controls, and our interior color is jet black teak. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat, a couple USB ports for your rear passengers, and onto our exterior. Got our running boards, 20-inch GMC rims, got the tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a rear view camera, and a spray-on box liner. There you have it, guys. That's stock number 301603. You've just checked out the Summit White 2026 GMC Canyon Denali. Thanks for watching.